Stop! Have you ever opened a packet of Act 2 instant popcorn, poured it into a pan, and ended up with lot of unpopped kernels or slightly burned popcorns? It happens more often than you might think. The surprising part is that the company has already printed simple instructions on the back of the pack that can help you to prepare the popcorn properly, but many people never read them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Act 2 instant popcorn magic butter using the preparation method recommended on the packet. Whether you're using a pressure cooker or a deep, thick bottom pan, the steps are simple and take only a few minutes. Along the way, I'll also point out some important instruction and safety tips printed on the packet that many buyers overlook. So before you place your pan on the stove, watch this video until the end. If you're planning to buy this popcorn, I've also kept the Amazon purchase link in the description below where you can check the latest price, discount and customer reviews. Now let's begin. Before opening the packet, make sure you have everything ready. You will need either a deep, thick bottom pan or a pressure cooker. The packet recommend using either of these because they provide enough space for the popcorn to expand while popping. You'll also need a lid that can cover the utensil. According to the packet, the lid should be placed in a particular way and we will come to that in just a moment. Another thing worth mentioning is that you don't need to add extra oil, butter or seasoning. Everything required for preparing the popcorn has already been packed inside the packet. That makes this product quick and convenient for busy days, movie nights or whenever you are craving freshly made popcorn at home. But here's something many people don't know. The company specifically advises against using only part of the packet. Let me see why. Open the packet. Carefully tear open the Act 2 instant popcorn magic butter packet from the top. Inside you will find the popcorn kernel already mixed with oil, butter, flavor and seasoning. Instead of separating the mixture or measuring it, simply keep everything together. The manufacturer clearly recommends using the entire packet at one time. Why? Because using only part of the mixture may result in uneven popping. Kernel may pop properly, while other may remain unpopped because the oil and the seasoning are designed to be distributed across the complete quantity. So if you want the best result, prepare the entire packet in one go. Empty the packet. Now pour the entire content in your deep pan or pressure cooker. Spread the kernel evenly across the bottom instead of leaving them in one pile. This allows the heat to reach more kernel evenly once cooking begins. At this stage, you don't need to add anything else. No extra butter, no cooking oil, no salt. Everything required has already been included by the manufacturer. Now comes one of the most important steps, and it's also one that many people accidentally skip. Let's cover the pan correctly. Cover the pan the right way. So we will be covering the pan right now. Now that the popcorn mixture is inside the pan, it's time to cover it. This step may seem simple, but the packet gives a very specific instruction that many people miss. Instead of sealing the pan completely, place an inverted lid on the top. More importantly, leave a small gap facing away from you. Why is this important? According to the instruction printed on the packet, this gap allows the steam to escape safely while the popcorn is cooking. If you completely seal the pan, steam can build up inside, which is why the manufacturer specifically mentioned leaving a small opening. It is a small instruction, but it plays an important role during preparation. Now your pan is ready. Let's switch on the stove, cook on medium flame, and place the pan on the pressure cooker on the stove and turn the flame to medium. The packet recommends cooking on medium heat. Many people think a high flame will cook the popcorn faster, but that's not what the manufacturer suggests. Medium heat helps the kernel warm gradually, giving them a better chance to pop evenly. Now all you have to do is wait. Within a short time, you will begin hearing the first popping sound. At first, the pop may be slow, then they'll become faster and more frequent. That's when you know the popcorn is cooking properly. But don't just leave the pan sitting there. There's another important step. Shake the pan occasionally. As the popcorn starts popping, gently shake the pan or pressure cooker every few seconds. You don't need to shake it continuously. A gentle movement from inside from time to time is enough. This helps to move the kernel around so they heat more evenly. It also helps to reduce the chances of the kernel staying at the bottom for too long. Soon you'll hear popcorn popping rapidly inside the pan. The sound becomes faster and more exciting as more kernel pop. But how do you know when it's time to stop? The packet gives a very simple answer. Listen carefully. Instead of watching a timer, the manufacturer recommends listening to the popping sound. Continue cooking until the popping slows down to about 1 or 2 seconds between each pop. When you notice this gap between pop, it is a sign that most of the kernel have already finished popping. At this point, switch off the flame. Waiting much longer may increase the chance of burning the already popped popcorn. Following the simple instruction will help you to stop cooking at the right time. Remove the popcorn immediately once you have turned off the flame. Carefully remove the lid. Remember that the hot steam may escape, so always open the lid carefully. Now immediately transfer the popcorn into a serving bowl. According to your packet, your hot and fresh Egg 2 instant popcorn magic butter is ready in about 3 minutes. Within just a few minutes, you have gone from a sealed packet to a bowl of freshly popped popcorn that's ready to enjoy. But before you throw away the packet, there's one more section printed on it that many people completely ignore and is actually very useful if you want the best results every time. Let's look at those information instructions next. Important things printed on the packet. Now that your popcorn is ready, let's look at a few important instructions printed on the packet that many people skip. The first instruction is about the storage. The manufacturer recommends storing the packet in a cool and dry place away from the direct sunlight. Keeping the packet in the right condition helps to maintain the quality of the popcorn until you are ready to use it. Another important instruction is to pop the entire packet at one time. Many people think they can use half the packet now and save the rest for later. However, the company advises against it. According to the packet, use only part of the content may result in uneven popping, meaning some kernel may pop properly while others remain unpopped. And for the best result, prepare the complete packet in one go. The packet also includes an allergen warning. It clearly states that this product contains milk and milk products. If you or someone in your family has milk allergy, always read this information carefully before consuming the product. This may seem like a small detail, but they can make a big difference in both preparation and safety. Quick preparation recap. Let's quickly go through the entire process one again. First, open the Active Instant Popcorn Magic Butter Pack. Empty the entire content into a deep, thick bottom pan or a pressure cooker. Do not add extra oil, butter or seasoning because everything required for preparation is already included in the packet. Cover the utensil with an inverted lid, but remember to leave a small gap facing away from you so that the steam can escape safely. Place the pan on a medium flame and allow the kernel to start popping. While the popcorn is cooking, gently shake the pan for time to time so that the kernel heat evenly. Continue cooking until the popping slows down to about 1 or 2 seconds between each pop. Once that happens, switch off the flame immediately. Carefully remove the lid, keeping away from the hot steam, and transfer the popcorn to a serving bowl. According to the packet, your popcorn is ready in about 3 minutes. It is quick and simple preparation method that does not require any additional ingredient. Egg 2 Instant Popcorn Magic Butter is designed to make popcorn preparation simple and convenient. The packet provides clear instructions that are easy to follow whether you are using a pressure cooker or a deep, thick bottom pan. By following the manufacturer recommendation, using the entire pack, cooking on medium flame, leaving a small gap for steam to escape and stopping when the popping slows. You can prepare the popcorn just as intended. If you are planning to buy this product, I have kept the Amazon purchase link in the description below where you can check the latest price, discount and customer reviews before placing your order. Now, I love to hear from you. Have you tried Egg 2 Magic Butter Popcorn? Do you prepare it in a pressure cooker or a pan? Share your experience and your favorite method in the comment below. Your tips may help other viewers too. If you found this review useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy cooking guides, honest grocery product reviews, food information videos and everyday kitchen tips. Also, don't just leave. Check out my other videos on instant food, snacks, biscuits, chocolate, beverages and grocery products. You might discover another product that's worth trying. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye friends.